Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you what I got from my Influenster box. And it says Influenster Vaseline on it. So I'm going to open it up and show you what I got. Alright. Here we go. I got a Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair Fragrance-Free Lotion. And let me try it out. I have tried it already. It's a white creamy substance lotion. I tried it last night and I really love this lotion. If you have dry skin, this is perfect for you. It just really makes your hands soft and smooth just like immediately, and it's not greasy. And I used it last night, and this morning my hands are really soft, but it does make your hands soft really right away. And it says it's good for scaly skin, and from scaly to healed in 5 days. New Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair moisturizes very dry skin on the first application. And it says on the container it's clinically proven to heal very dry skin in 5 days. It has micro droplets of Vaseline jelly in it. And it's a nice big container that I received. 10 fluid ounces, which is going to last me a long time. Well, and it says that it contains a specially designed blend of glycerin to pull moisture into all layers of skin and healing micro droplets of Vaseline jelly. So I would really recommend this lotion, because it's like one of the top, or if the top, lotions that I've tried before. And I got it complimentary of Influenster, and thanks Influenster.